sa inyong lahat. Nagmula pa po sa Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, at Quezon, Pangulo dito sa lalawigan ng Batangas. Maraming salamat po.
And Twinning Association or PISTA, duly accredited by the Department
of our support to be witnessed by the Honorable Governor Vilma Santos, Rector, and the other members of the cabinet. May we request also all elected officials to please stand up. Okay. Elected officials, we have City Mayor